Did you check out that news? Like first of all, the good thing about this whole thing is that a few of my relatives who used to keep on pestering me about marriage or whatever stopped.
Dead or
No,
stopped?
stop. I think the fear of death made them stop.
Yeah.
because
Like this is that.
yeah, because they might be thinking there's no point in asking him to get married because I have to survive this to be there.
No, they're also like शादी में जाने नहीं मिलेगा तो शादी क्यों करें?
Exactly.
Like,
yeah. I want to be there.
हाँ, the whole point of marriage is I get to see it.
Exactly.
I get to see you do whatever.
Yeah.
अगर मैं नहीं हूँ जज करने के लिए तो शादी थोड़ी है.
Exactly. That's the expectation, right? But thankfully, like none of them, the pestering stopped completely. But people are still getting married. They are getting married in a pandemic.
Yeah, that fun news.
That hasn't stopped. People are getting married and people are trying to find innovative ways to, because I think somewhere down the line, people who decide to get married in the pandemic, they just have a lack of faith with timelines. You know, like
Explain.
in the sense that they are like, yeah, it's going to take long.
Huh.
It's not going to get over very quickly.
I have scheduled my 25th anniversary already.
My life has to continue.
Yeah. मिल रहा है round figure
हाँ,
already.
Exactly. And maybe there is a certain amount of fear also with the fact that you have decided to sign up to this contract of marriage, and then the prolongingness of it might make you change your mind probably. But people are getting married, and of course there are certain rules and regulations in place in terms of,
Which is useless.
No. I mean, some people are doing it legitimately. Like, there's no point in shitting on people who followed everything. Like, okay, we only called 15 people or 5 or whatsoever. You know, it's cool. It's fine. That's okay. But then there are
approval, no?
and approval in the sense, because see, how much of an authority do I have to judge somebody on the basis of, I don't know their life story and whatnot, whatever they are doing. Maybe this is giving them hope, you know, like, oh, I want to start a new phase in life, even if it's in lockdown. Just start. Like, you know, it's better to have somebody with, okay, fine. And if you're doing it and nobody gets corona, amazing. Like, and if you follow the rules, of course. But then
is this couple?
Then there are some people who try to find loopholes, and they think they are so smart that they have legitimately found a way around things that big societies and intelligent people and medical professionals have come together to write and whatnot, you know. Like, there's a couple it was in the you know, they were in the news. This couple basically decided to get married in a plane. They
go in a
they chartered a flight because they said जमीन पर नहीं तो आसमान में कुछ ना कुछ तो करके ये मिलन होकर रहेगा.
इस पे जब डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनेगी there'll be a wedding planner who just like, I have the idea, like one George Clooney moment.
It might be remade as a movie.
Yeah, for sure.
Who knows?
What's the name of this movie? आसमान पे लिखूंगा तेरा नाम.
But oh my god, dude, like, as far as this thing is concerned, you know, they ended up chartering a flight. Okay, they ended up hiring because they thought that, okay, this is the loophole. We can't get a lot of people on land. We will just rent a flight and we'll put everybody in and it's sorted. And of course it's not sorted because it's a stupid thing to it's a stupid idea. Okay, and I'm pretty sure that the couple is in trouble. The airlines is in trouble.
Is done.
In the sense, the cabin crew and whatnot, they have all been served.
But I'm asking couple.
Yeah, they are in trouble. They are in trouble.
You're in big trouble, huh?
You're in big trouble. Yeah.
Okay. So coming back. The couple.
So the flight thing, all right. So this couple basically ended up chartering the flight, and a couple of other people who decided to go are in trouble, and the flight people are in trouble, the cabin crew and whatnot.
People who chose love.
Yeah. So, you know, when I read this news, Noel, I'm telling you honestly, like, the first reaction that I had was, oh, what the hell? And the second was, this is just an indicator of how, like, big the love story genre is.
Yeah.
You know, in the entertainment sector, like, love is such a big theme in everything that most of the big hits are love stories, dude. DDLJ. This is DDLJ's fault.
Like, yeah.
DDLJ's fault. Dude.
Yeah, the if there is a post credits scene of DDLJ, it is Raj and Simran taking
Because-
Fera inside the train.
It is like a Ja Simran Ja
Yeah, yeah.
moment, you know, because
He's announcing, no, on the this
because
boarding began Simran.
yeah, because remember why the aeroplane people got in trouble, like the charter people and whatnot. Why did they get in trouble? Because the authorities basically said, okay, these idiots came up with the plan to rent out a flight. Why did you allow it? The groom is not a pilot. They don't know how to fly. How come you allowed it? You know, that's why they are in trouble. And that was when I thought, yeah, that would have happened.
Someone just came and told me, मैं तेरे बाप की तरह हूँ. मेरी बात सुन, and then I allowed.
Oh, because all of the guests are turning up at the airport or wherever it's taking off from in bridal wear.
Yeah, शादी के लिए तैयार.
शादी के लिए तैयार हुआ dude public.
They just
शेरवानी वगैरह
Look at
पहन
it,
के
this
आया
is
है.
not good travel attire. Where are you going?
This is not comfortable
Is there a
travel
Taj in the
attire.
sky?
You know, and of course, because it's a marriage, there is documentation of the event.
Yeah,
You know,
there's photos.
there's physical proof of the fact that you're breaking the law. You know, like, and the problem is, you know how hilarious it would be if all of the evidence that is being shown, presented in the court of law against you, has you smiling on it. Every photo has everybody's, yeah, amazing, this is a lot of fun, and we are all breaking the law together.
Dude, in that photo, you will see an air hostess or rather a flight attendant being demeaned more because they went
Oh
from
my
the guy who's supposed to take care of people on a flight to like, please gulab jamun leke. Like just
Yeah.
that is what they have turned into. कोल्ड ड्रिंक किधर है? आप लोग वहां से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, सिर्फ लड़के वालों को मिला है, हम लोगों को नहीं मिला है, समझे आप? ठीक है? And people are just taking one person. Where is the chicken tikka? In my box there is only one chicken tikka. There has to be two.
It's like their importance crash lands.
Yeah.
You know, like
It's done.
from the point where they are like there to tell you in case of an emergency, you know, put your head down, वगैरह, mask, all of that they end up telling you. From there to gulab jamun hai kya? What a terrible thing to experience, dude.
There's one guy knocking the cockpit saying, I want to start a song.
Oh yeah.
Please give me the PA.
DJ.
मेरा playlist लगाओ. Pilot, तू चला. You are the second pilot, no?
Co-pilot है ना तू.
You are
Co
also
है.
DJ. Who sits shotgun decides the music.
Yeah.
Now you know.
Who's riding shotgun in this plane? You will be the DJ of my party.
Oh God.
My godliness. But yeah, this happened.
Dude, one more thing I was thinking. So, what exactly did they do? Like, I'm imagining some version of the Sat Fera must have happened inside.
Probably some like maybe just a mobile torchlight and then they walk around it. I don't know.
So they're traveling. And their Muhurat must be changing as the plane is flying. No, because geography also affects Muhurat.
Exactly.
Okay, so the Pandit is telling the pilot, वापस एक राउंड मारो. We need to go back.
एक और चक्कर
मारो. We need to go back. And the pilot is like, ठीक है, okay. And like इन लोग का 7 फेरा चल रहा है and plane भी 7 बार घूम.
And like that guy would have thought of himself as such a hero, right? The groom. Like, he must have had so
I
many
saved
stories
this, yeah.
in his head. Like, not only did I save this, this is a story now.
Huh.
This is like, you know, all
Yeah,
the
I'll walk
relatives.
into any place and I can tell them we had the best wedding.
Forget any place. I'll brag so much
Huh.
in front of, like, I'll be an asshole husband.
You know what I did for you? Dude, now there is so much for that marriage to live up to.
Oh
The
my
wedding
God.
has been so public.
So public.
The marriage has to really tick up.
And
now to like pura desh bolega.
yeah.
Like we'll be waiting. Give me an update when this couple splits.
No, for this couple to go to the honeymoon also, they'll have to get in touch with NASA. Because flight
You can't
हो
top
गया
it, हाँ.
Flight हो गया है.
You
शादी
can't top
flight
it.
पे हो गया है.
हाँ.
Why would I fly? Now I will have to fly somewhere
They're
else.
just harassing Elon Musk. Tweeting Elon Musk. किधर है मेरा? किधर है? Like, where is this?
I think that is one thing that will make Elon quit Twitter.
Yeah.
It's just
Bus.
somebody every day to किधर है मेरा?
Look at this new nightie I brought for my honeymoon. I want to wear this.
Oh my God.